Okay, I'll be very honest with you. Nung dineliver sa akin, wow, malaki pala. But look at the actual product. Ang liit-liit. Second impression, ang gwapo ng design. Pwede ko itong pang-display. You just press this, and nadedetach na siya. Kung yan na lang ang natitira mong space, kasyang-kasya pa. Just look at that. 1, 2, 3 phones. Biglang nawala ng kuryente. Pay attention to the monitor. Hindi man lang nag-flicker yung monitor. Ayan, may coffee na tayo. In just 8 minutes, 10% ang na-charge natin. Mabilis yun. Hi team, welcome back to Team DTV, and it's a beautiful weekend here in Mabalacat, Pampanga. We are car camping with this very nice weather. As you all know, kapag magka-camping, one of the basic essentials, one of the basic needs is a power generator. You need something reliable, powerful, and portable. And when it comes to reliability, there's one name that comes to mind: EcoFlow. What we have here is the EcoFlow River 3 Max Plus with 858 watt-hour battery that is capable of producing 1,200 watts. Tara, let's do a quick unboxing and reviewin natin ang features nitong battery generator na to. Oh, yep. Okay, so mukhang power cables pang charge nitong EcoFlow River 3. Ayan, wow, sige pa. Ayan. Nice. Wow. Okay, I'll be very honest with you. All right? Very first impression when I saw this, nung dineliver sa akin, sabi ko, wow, malaki pala. But actually, it's only the box and yung foam and styro niya made it big. But look at the actual product. It's so compact. Look at that, ang liit-liit. And it's so light. Second impression, ang gwapo. Look at that, very aesthetic. I can put this in our sala. Pwede ko itong pang-display. Honestly, look at that. Ang gwapo ng design. Number 3. Obviously naman, di ba? Napapansin natin, these are two pieces put together. And this one on top, right, is the main unit. And this one here at the bottom is like an extension ng battery. Look at this, tingnan nyo sa likod. Typically, when you connect two devices, itong dalawa para mag-communicate, typically, gagamit ka ng cables, right? To connect the two of them. Pero, tingnan mo yung design nila. You just press this, and nadedetach na siya. So easy. And it becomes even more lighter. Look, wala akong ka-effort. Right? And then, if I want to connect it back, that easy. Ayan, you get extra additional battery. Walang messy cable to connect the two. Okay, let's come closer para makita nyo yung features niya dito sa front. Okay, let's take a closer look. So this is actually the River 3 with 286 watt-hour. And this one is the EB600 with 572 watt-hour. So add them together, it will give you a total of 858 watt-hour capacity. So tingnan natin yung mga buttons dito. Ano? This one looks like the main power button. Let's turn it on. Ayan. So meron siya ditong parang instrument cluster kung sa kotse. And it says here input and output. So I would think, without even reading the manual, I think it's very intuitive. I can tell that this will show you yung wattage when you charge this one, the battery, right? Kasi it says input, and this one is output. Output, I think, is kind of obvious kapag nagsaksa ka dito ng device and it starts to discharge. Diyan naman niya ilalagay kung ilan yung wattage na nilalabas niya, dire-discharge niya. Alright? And right now here, it says 100%. I would think this is your SOC, state of charge. And the estimated runtime right now is 4.1 days. Okay? And then down here, meron ka ditong USB-A, USB-C, 100 watts. Wow, fast charger. And another USB-A. Here on the right is your typical household plug socket. Kaya nandito, AC on off. Right? Di ba sa bahay, AC, alternating current. And then here on the left, familiar tayo dito, this is your typical 12 volt power socket sa kotse. Di ba? I think so. Ayan. Di ba? So here, and then it has a button here that says DC on off, right? So siguro, if you are going to use this, you need to turn it on like that. If you are going to use this, you can turn it this here like this. And then right here looks like an LED, and here it says light on off. Okay, press natin. Oh, nice. Let's press it again. Oh, even brighter. Press again. Oh, blinking siya. So if you press it again, nag-off na. Dito naman sa baba, yung battery extension, it says here on off for the USB-C. Wow, 140 watts, super fast charger siya. So far, with what we've seen, ang tingin ko dito, siya, even if parang extension lang siya, hindi siya, kumbaga, walang silbi. Di ba? Kasi pag tinanggal mo to, pwede ka pa rin mag-charge dito directly. So, it turns to be a one big power bank. Okay? Wala nga lang mga ganitong information. So, hindi siya useless. Di ba? So, pag tinanggal mo siya, again, very easy. Pag tinanggal mo, this alone can be used as a charger. Okay, let's test the portability. Okay? Mabigat ba siya? Tama lang. For what it's worth, for the amount of battery or energy that it can store, I think it's light. You know, very easy. Very portable. Now, if you're going somewhere that you don't need that much of battery or energy, again, you can easily detach this one. If you need 200 something watts only, this one is very easy. Look, I can lift it very easily. Ganyan, no? Lighter than the weights that I lift in the gym. For example, you are going to carry this in your car. Ayan, napakadali. You can just put it there and you can still sit comfortably. Napakaliit. And to my fellow car campers, alam naman natin, ang bilis natin mapuno ng camping gears ang mga sasakyan natin, di ba? Look how you can easily insert this. Kung yan na lang ang natitira mong space, kasyang-kasya pa. Di ba? And if you need to carry this, the extension, pwede mo pa siyang ilagay dito. Kasyang-kasya. Or, if this is the only space you're left with, pwede mo yan ilagay dyan. Stack them together. Ayan. Very minimal yung space na na-occupy.
This is my phone. Let's plug it in. And it says super fast charging. This is my action camera. Isaksak natin. Ayan, it's charging. This is one of our portable electric fans. I-charge na rin natin. And if you run out of USB ports, you can also use this one for the 12-volt power socket. This is my favorite multi-purpose LED camping / shooting LED light. Gustong-gusto ko to kasi it's very powerful. So, isaksak na rin natin. Now, don't forget that you need to press the button here sa ilalim to turn it on. At kapag kulang pa rin talaga yung USB ports mo, you can also use this adapter doon naman sa AC plug. Here's another LED camping light. Pwede mo na siya isaksak doon sa adapter. And again, do not forget to press the button sa ilalim to turn it on. Otherwise, walang supply ng kuryente na lalabas dyan. This one here says 140 watts. This is the most powerful of all the USB ports here. So, i-move natin yung phone ko from the 100 watts down here sa 140. And let's see. And yes, it still says super fast charging. Nice. And this is our portable radio and yung charger niya is 220. So, kailangan natin gamitin yung saksakan niya sa likod. And, ayan, charging na nga siya. Hanep. And then, ayan, maya-maya ng konti, yung fellow campers namin lumapit na at gusto makicharge. And here's another one. So, total of 2 iPhones ang nakicharge sa amin plus yung sa akin. So, total of 3 phones. Just look at that. Tingnan mo, ilan lahat ang nakakabit. 1, 2, 3 phones, 1 radio, one LED light, one portable electric fan, another LED light, and an action camera. Ayan na lahat. Everything is being charged by the EcoFlow River 3 Max Plus. Okay, silipin natin kung anong pinapakita dito sa information screen niya. So, SOC is 97%. And andyan sa taas, makita mo, it says with the current setup, with all the gadgets connected, it will still last for 10.8 hours. Ganun pa katagal. Ang current discharge rate niya is only 72, 73, mga ganun lumalaro hanggang 75 watts. Kahit yata lahat ng mga kasama ko sa camping, kayang-kaya yung i-charge lahat ng mga cellphones. The EcoFlow River 3 Max Plus is not only for camping or outdoor use. At home, paano kung biglang mag-brown out? At kailangan nyo magtrabaho. For example, ako, I need to edit or I need to work from home. Si Achi needs to work on her place. Si Dichi needs to be online at school. And then si Madam Peya mag-aasikaso ng mga bills namin and magbabayad online. This is the laptop that I use for video editing. The adapter has a maximum of 170 watts. So let's plug it in. And this is Achi's laptop, 16 inches. Yung adapter naman niya is 200 watts. Now, let's see. Wow! So, kanina, bago tayo nag-plug, nasa 50, 51 to. Medyo malakas tong laptop ni Achi eh. So, now, it's 230, 231. Ito naman ang kay Dichi, 14 inches. Bago natin isaksak, it says here 224. Let's plug it in. Naging 276, 280. Ayan, umakyat na ng 300. At ito naman ang kay Madam Peya. Also, 14 inches. So, saan natin isasaksak? Kasi dalawa lang naman yung saksakan dito. And then ito, this is the third one. So, total of 3. Okay, so gamit tayo ng extension cord, ano? So, okay, ayan. Meron tayong 4 na laptops charging. Sa akin, nasa 97%. Kay Achi, 97%. Kay Madam Peya, nasa 3%. And then, kay Dichi, nasa 96%. All charging, and it shows here, lumalaro sa 270, 300, and then, ito ang nakakatuwa dito. Katulad ng sinabi ko during our camping, meron kang makikita na ditong estimate. So, SOC mo, state of charge, is 82%. And up here, with the current consumption, may estimated duration ka pa na 2 hours and 5 minutes. So, alam mo kung gaano pa itatagal yung battery generator mo, right? Hindi ka na maghuhula, mag-estimate, magko-compute kung ilan pa yung remaining battery mo. The EcoFlow River 3 Max Plus also works as a UPS. Tara, testingin natin. So, in this setup, nandiyan yung laptop, nandito yung monitor. The monitor is connected to the laptop for data. Pero yung power source niya, nakakonect siya dito sa extension cord. Alright? Ang itetest natin is the monitor, not the laptop. Kasi obviously, may sarili tong battery. To show to you muna, what will happen kung wala kang UPS, what will happen pag suddenly may ginagawa ka, nag-work ka, work from home, you're doing something really important, tapos suddenly, nawalan ng kuryente, brown out. Ayun, patay ang PC mo. Or kung for example may nakakonect, may system ka na NAS, network attached storage, mga ganon, mga importanteng bagay na kailangan may constant power supply. So ayan, patay na. So kung ano man yung ginagawa mo, apektado ka na. So eto, pakita ko sa inyo, i-connect naman natin siya directly doon na sa EcoFlow. So eto yung power cable ng monitor, kabit natin directly dito sa EcoFlow. Ayan, and do not forget to press the button here. Ayan, so buhay na siya. Right now, getting power from the EcoFlow. Now, yung cable charger ng EcoFlow, ikabit naman natin dito sa power source directly. Okay? So, kunwari, may kuryente. Let's turn this on. Ayun, narinig nyo, may nag-click. And now, it's charging. So, charging yung EcoFlow and you are using it at the same time. Now, let's simulate biglang brown out. Biglang nawala ng kuryente. Pay attention to the monitor. Walang nangyari. Hindi man lang nag-flicker yung monitor. Di ba, may experience tayo minsan pag humihina ang kuryente, parang nagdi-dim yung monitor. Eto, kahit man lang dim, wala. No power interruption. And now, meron kang blinking light dito sa
EcoFlow telling you na nakaano siya. It's on UPS mode. So kung ayaw mo niyan, you can just turn it off here. So ang galing, 'di ba? If you compare this with a regular UPS, it will only last for siguro 5 to 10 minutes, just giving you the opportunity to shut it down properly. Ito, this is a big battery. Meron pang UPS functionality. Nandito na lahat. So, sa ganitong setup mo, it's telling you na you still have 1.2 days. Not 5 minutes, not 10 minutes. 1.2 days. So, napakaganda ng investment, di ba? Ang laki na ng storage mo, may UPS ka pa. So, pwede mo nang gawin ganito ang setup mo sa bahay, especially for people like me na we work from home. Ganyan na lagi, di ba? So, tuloy-tuloy ang trabaho mo. Hindi masasayang yung mga ginagawa mo sa office, mga important files. It not only gives you enough time to save, but to actually work pa further compared to, you know, a regular UPS. The EcoFlow River 3 Max Plus comes with an application that you can install on your phone. Makita mo dito yung SOC. Right now, it's 78%. Ayan, pareho. It shows 78% SOC. Remaining time is 2 hours and 50 minutes. Right now, naka-turn on yung AC. Ayan. Currently consuming 187 watts. So, try lang natin. Can we turn it off? Ayun, nag-off. So, lahat ng laptops natin ngayon hindi na nagcha-charge. Yung 12 volts naman dito, you can also turn it on and off. Ayun, nag-on na siya. Pero wala tayong nakasaksak right now. And then, yung light. So, nandito yung mga options. Right now, naka-dim. Gawin nating bright. Ayan. And SOS, yung blinking. So, this EcoFlow River 3 Max Plus, yung normal wattage output niya is really 600. Pero, meron siyang feature na tinatawag na X-Boost. Kaya niya mag-produce ng 1,200 watts. Essentially, kaya niyang doblehin yung 600 watts. Now, subukan natin. Ito, meron tayo ditong coffee maker that is rated at 750 watts. So, subukan natin. For example, di ba, pag nagtatrabaho tayo, especially ako, when I work, I really need my caffeine. So, with all these 4 laptops running, patakboy naman natin tong coffee maker. So, okay, naka-ready na yung coffee maker natin. Nilagyan ko na ng coffee yan, tsaka ng water. Dito naman sa app natin, you go to settings, input and output, and then here, you will see X-Boost. So, turn it on lang, and then pwede natin isaksak yung coffee maker. Let's turn this on. Gumagana ba? I can hear it. Ayun, tumutunog na. Ang bilis lang. As fast as when you plug it sa normal na power source dito sa bahay. Ayan. May coffee na tayo. So imagine, brown out. You can still do your work. Yung mga anak mo can still do their school projects. And then the wife, si Madam Pea, can still do her thing. And we can all sit here in one table and still have coffee. Oh, di ba? Ayan na, mainit na. Gawa na yung coffee natin. Bango. Oh, masarap na magtrabaho. And then look at this. Ngayon ko lang napansin. Ayan, no? May umiikot. So, it tells me it's a fan. So, siguro na-reach niya na yung certain heat or temperature sa loob. Kaya kailangan niya na paandarin yung fan. Pero wala akong naririnig. It's so quiet. Ayan, no? Dito yung ventilation niya, yung exhaust niya. Wala akong naririnig na fan. Ito, pakinggan nyo, guys. Wala, di ba? Sa kabila. Wala. Kung hindi lang dahil dito sa indicator, dito sa screen niya, hindi ko malalaman na may umaandar na fan. Eto na. Sarap ng coffee. So, after all that camping and outdoor activities and all the work that you've done at home, syempre, at some point, bababa yung SOC natin and you will need to charge this EcoFlow River 3 Max Plus. So, paano ba ito charge? Inside this box are the charging cables. Okay? Yung cable for the wall socket, dalawang klase ang pinadala nila. Let's use this cable. Sak natin dito. Harap natin ulit sa inyo, guys. dito sa display natin kanina, it's been 0, di ba? Input kasi to. So now it's telling you that it is accepting 646, ayan, 644, 643. Kanina umakyat ng 657. So it is now charging. Okay, lagay tayo ng timer, ano? Okay, wag na nating antayin mag 100% pero just to give you an idea, look, 7 minutes 54, almost 8 minutes, naka 10% siya. 'Di ba? Look at that. So 8 minutes, nag-start tayo ng 65%, now it's 75. In just 8 minutes, 10% ang na-charge natin. Mabilis 'yun. And this is for, ito yung sa 12 volt socket mo sa kotse. So you can actually charge the EcoFlow River 3 Max Plus while you're driving. So kung papunta ka sa campsite, nakalimutan mo tong i-fully charge, habang nasa kotse, pwede mo siya isaksak. And the third one is for the solar. You can buy the EcoFlow solar panels separately and connect them to the River 3 using this cable. The EcoFlow solar panels are space savers. They are foldable and easy to deploy. Sakto to para sa mga nagre-rent ng apartment. Unlike ng mga rigid panels, kailangan mo ng approval from the landlord, magbabayad ka ng installation, and then later, pag lumipat ka ng apartment, babaklasin mo. Masyadong mabusisi, di ba? Perfect din ito sa mga mahilig mag-camping for several days. Hindi bulky sa sasakyan. Sunlight is free and you have free energy from the sun. EcoFlow Philippines is currently on a mid-year sale this month of June 2025. They are giving away solar panels for free when you buy River 3 Max Plus. Please use our exclusive link and code in the description and pinned comment to avail of an extra 5% discount. Okay, that's it guys. I think na-satisfy naman niya yung tatlong qualifications natin for a battery generator. Reliable, EcoFlow is a well-known international brand. Portable, intimidating lang sa box, no? Pero yung pala because of the protection of the foam and the styro. Pero pag nailabas mo na, ganito lang pala kaliit. Very portable, madaling isingit-singit sa loob ng kotse kung saan mo man dadalhin. You can actually put this inside a bag, sa backpack. Very handy, and I really like the design na ang bilis lang niya, ang dali lang niyang i-split. And very convenient yung ginawa nilang connection dito. Powerful, nakita nyo naman, 4 na laptop, sabay-sabay natin charge. Tapos sinabayan pa natin ng coffee maker. 'Di ba? Kayang-kaya. Alright, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed our video. If you are interested, ilalagay ko po dyan yung links sa description box. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Bye. Please do not forget to follow our social media accounts. We are on YouTube, Facebook page, Instagram, and TikTok.